I just realized that I looked a little bit crazy in the beginning of my video. I have setting powder under my eyes so that the fallout from the eyeshadow won't fall on my makeup. Okay, back to your regular programming. Hey ladies, welcome back. Today is going to be a tutorial on eyeshadow using the Jaclyn palette. Y'all know this is my go-to palette. I saw a video on, I think his name is Mitchell, on his page, and he does makeup on other people, and I love this look that he did. So I tried, as you can see, I tried to recreate it, and it's not the same tones, but it's kind of like the same thing, same concept, I guess. So let's just get straight into it. I already did basic my whole face. I didn't want to come on here and look like crap like I always do. And then, so using this brown shade right here is probably like the light, well, not the lightest, that one looks brownish, but this is like the lightest of the darker browns, if that makes sense. So I'm getting this Morphie R39 brush, and I'm going to put it right in my crease, if you can see. I'm putting it right in my crease and then kind of like bringing it down, kind of like a circle, I guess. You don't have to do it this way, but this is the new technique I learned and I love it. I feel like the colors, like the darker colors show more when I do it this way instead of putting the transition shade first and then going in like darker. I've learned that this is like an easier way to do it. Am I like too turned? So I'm just putting it all, like tapping it in there. And then you can dust it off if you want. You can dust your brush off. But all I'm going to do is start buffing out the edges with the same brush. Kind of just, it blends on its own, really.
Where you go?
Go watch TV. Okay, you see how it's like kind of blended in a little bit? That's what you want. Matt, go watch TV. Yes. Please. Okay. Next, I am getting this brush. It came with the Anastasia Prism palette, and I am going to dip into this. This is now I'm gonna start putting in the transition shades. So this orange right here, not too much though, not a lot. You just want it like really subtle. So get out. So right above where I blended in that thing, I'm going to put the orange shade. Am I too turned? I hope you can see what I'm doing. Hey, go. Y'all probably gonna hear him this whole video. I'm sorry. It's just me and him now, and he's like bored. I think he's bored without my other two since they're in school. So he's like right up under me all the time. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. You can kind of see it, like the orange, and then the brown. I'm not gonna go in any deeper than that. Get out. Now I'm going to, this is my favorite, as you can tell, I'm already hitting pan. This is my favorite transition shade. It's probably like the one I always use. So you're going to get a little bit too on your brush. And I'm using clean brushes that are clean. I'm not using the same brush because I don't want it to just be like dark. I want it to transition. So right above that, I am going to put that yellow. Oh, I learned this technique from Stacy MUA. She's the one that sells that P. Louise eyeshadow base. It's like been all over Instagram. She is so good with makeup, and I learned this from watching her. How she goes in with the dark and then transitions up. Get out. Okay, so I am done. I feel like it's so much easier this way. I don't have to keep blending in the yellow, and then on top of that blend in a lighter brown, and then on top of that blend in. Like, I feel like this is like so much easier and so much quicker. Anyways, now I am going to do the crease. You already know how I cut the crease, so just cut your crease. Oh, but this time I'm bringing it all the way. You see how I brought it all the way like in? That's what I'm gonna do with this one. Oh, going back in with this shade right here. Going to do the edges. Okay. After that, I'm getting this tapered blending brush, and I am going in with the, I think this is Queen, this gold right here, not too much, and I'm putting it in right here and just kind of trying to blend it in. You don't want it to be like, you just want it subtle. You don't want it like packed on. That's why I'm using the blending brush instead of a flat shadow brush. Okay, after that, I am getting this flat brush, and I'm using this super light shimmery shade right here. And I'm starting right here. You can put it like a little bit on top of the gold so it can blend a little bit in, like it can mesh. Grabbing this shade next to it, I'm putting it in my inner corner. Getting the Perception palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to put this one on top of the light that I did. And then, no, and then this gold right here, just a little bit. And I'm putting it in the inner corner.
Yeah. The banana say.
I just noticed that this one's hella dark. This one's way darker than this side, so I'm gonna go in with the brown that I used and make it darker. Okay, popping on my eyelashes. Alright, now going in the opposite way, like the regular way. Let me come up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the yellow first, and then the orange, and then the brown. So here's the yellow. Oh wait. I put this NYX. It is in the shade Teal. I put this in my waterline. Okay. Now going in with the yellow. And you can go in thick because you want it to look like it's transitioning just as the same as the top. And then I usually just stop right here, but I'm going to bring it all the way up and out. Okay, now going in with the orange. It's orange, but with the reddish tone, I think. Now going in with the brown. Spraying my face. Okay, and this is it. This is how I recreated I think it's M Mitchell on Instagram. I'll put his info down below. But I hope y'all like this video. I hope, I don't know, just I hope y'all liked it. Okay, see y'all next time.